Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasaara. In today's episode, we will be learning how to do Thattadavu. Thatta means a clap or a bang. So Thattadavu is an adavu that we use our feet to clap onto the ground. Hope that you have done your prayer and warmed up your body well before starting Thattadavu. There are 8 steps in Thattadavu. The number of steps may vary from 5 to 8 according to the different styles of Bharatanatyam. In today's episode, we will be learning from step number 1 to 4. So without any further wait, let's move on to the video. Turn out your feet forming a V. Go down slowly. While going down, see to it that you keep pushing your thighs out constantly and your knee doesn't collapse inside. Your knee should be in line with your feet. Your elbows should not be in forward or backwards. It should fall in the center. I've done an Aramandi video earlier. The link is given in the cards. So now the Thattadavu, how to do a clap. So you lift your feet. While lifting your feet, the way now she did was wrong. You shouldn't lift your knees. Now keeping the knees in the same position, a clap. Yes. While doing that, you should see that your heel touches the opposite bum. There are 3 speeds in Bharatanatyam. Speed is called as gati. The first speed, that is the slow speed, is called as vilambita gati. The second speed is called as madhya gati. The third speed, which is the fast speed, is called as dhruta gati. We will begin with the first step. Start. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, faster. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, third speed. Tai, yat, tai, 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 tai, yat, tai. Now the second step. You will clap each of your leg twice. Let's do it in all 3 speeds. Position 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, faster. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, tai, ki. Tai, yat, even fast. Tai, yat, tai, 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 tai, yat, tai. Now the third step. In the third step, you will clap your right leg thrice. Then there is a small pause. And then the left leg thrice. So it goes tayya, tayya, tay, takka, tayya, tayya, tay. Okay? We'll do it in all 3 speeds. Position 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Tayyat, tayyat, tay, takka, tayyat, tayyat, tay. Tayyat, tayyat, tay, takka, tayyat, tayyat, tay. Again, tayyat, tayyat, tay, takka, tayyat, tayyat, tay. Third speed, tayyat, tayyat, tay, takka, tayyat, tayyat, tay. Tayyat, tayyat, tay, tayyat, tayyat, tay. Stop. In the fourth step, you'll be clapping each of your leg 4 times. We'll go into the adavu in all 3 speeds. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Tayyat, 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 tay. Tayyat, 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 tay. Again. Tayyat, 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 tay. Left side. Tayyat, 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 tay. Faster. Tayyat, 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 tay. Tayyat, 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 tay. Again. Tayyat, 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 tay. thaya, 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 third feet, thaya, 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 thaya. Hope that you'll have understood the first 4 steps of Thattadavu. If you have any doubts, comment down below or DM me on my Instagram handle. In the next episode, we will be learning the remaining 4 steps of Thattadavu. Please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss that episode and the upcoming videos. Bye-bye.